Hey guys, Shadow Drone here. I'm doing a review on a new 3D printer I just got. So basically, let me just show you real quick. The first interview I did was the SV01 printer, which I've been very happy with. It has been a very good printer. The company has done very good on these, and not only that, but their customer support is just awesome. Okay, as you probably heard in my first review. So I've been doing a lot of 3D printing with my models, and now I'm starting to sell components that I'm designing for drone building, and people are asking to purchase certain prints that I have. And so one printer is just no longer cutting it. So I decided the other day, I got a flash sale on an SV02 version, which is dual color. So I'm going to show you the 2. Okay, normally the price is $399. I had $220 of credit on my Amazon account, and they offered me $50 off. The new model is literally super quiet. You can't even hear it printing, except for the fan, of course. Okay. It uses a dual nozzle with dual feeders. There's one there, and there's one here, and it does color. Check it out, guys. Black and red. Look at that. Sweet, isn't it? And it automatically changes the color on you. It uses an LED display. With the same settings, a little bit more on top of what needs to be done, and it's definitely an impressive unit. Right now it's switching over to black, so you can see it's pulling down the black cable. Takes a minute to swap, and now it's printing in black. Resolution on this thing is a lot better than the other one. It's a lot faster. It uses the new control board for easier access, and it has an auto calibration feature in it. I had this thing going within 10 minutes of assembly. Well, actually, make it 20 minutes total. All I had to do is connect 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on that side to connect the gantry to the platform. Plug in 6 power cables, which are very well marked. Switch the back switch from 220 to 150, and do the auto calibration. And then I did some manual assist where I did the paper and put in the SD card with the sample print job, and here we go. It's printing in color. So, very happy with the purchase. As always, I definitely recommend the upgrade. Or if you guys are looking for your first 3D printer, this model is definitely a doozy. If you look hard enough, you'll find a good deal on it. Amazon, like I said, had $50 off. On top of the purchase, of course, I had some Amazon credits. So I just couldn't resist. And I needed another printer anyway because I print so much stuff for building and now for all kinds of stuff. And, it's good to have 2 printers. And like I said, I was actually thinking of getting the version 1, but then I thought, for the extra $100 and some odd, you might as well just get the latest. And I did. And let me tell you, I am just amazed by this. It automatically switches. It's just phenomenal. So I'll bring out some more reviews a little later on, but for right now, this is just a quickie to update my 3D printer reviews. Fingers up, SOVOL. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. Maybe one of these days you guys will get a resin one. I actually was shopping for a resin printer, and I came across a couple models, but reading the reviews and the hassle and of course the stench from the smell of those things, it makes it very difficult to print, and it's just a big huge mess. Even though I was tempted to get one. There were a few models I was looking at. Creality had one, and there's a few other ones. But as far as ease of use and cleanliness, I definitely suggest just doing a filament printer. Now, it's kind of interesting what I've noticed. This is the actual print that it's doing, okay? But then it's creating a little print job over here. And I have not been able to figure out what that is until it just hit me. It uses that to take out the other color. So it makes sure that there's no black in the red and no red in the black. So it gives you pure color. So that's pretty cool. Ingenious. Okay, guys. I guess shadow drawn out once it's done doing this test print. Like I said, this is my burn-in. See how she functions and see how long it takes. I've got her running at 200%. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Shadow drawn out.